I'm sure he'll be really excited to finally get some attention from his women. Cooped up in here for the last couple of days. He got in a fight with his brother. His brother's here. They got all beat up, and I didn't want to leave him out where he would get infected. As you can see, instantly he gets excited. Come here, buddy. So just a warning to those who might be watching, I'm about to show you animal husbandry. I think that's the technical term, where two animals will have relations. So if you don't want to watch that, then maybe it's extreme at the moment. But yeah, so he does it very quickly. He's very excited to be out. Now we'll have